my channel. I hope you are all good and you had a fabulous weekend. So yes, happy Monday, happy Makeover Mondays, and today it is a makeup video, as you can see. Now I've got these little critters flying about and fluttering about all over my face. I was so inspired by the amazing Katie Elizabeth Butt on Instagram and her blue kind of creation with this spring look. She had like yellow flowers, blue butterflies. I absolutely loved it. I really wanted to do my own spin on it, and of course I chose pink because pink is amazing and it is my favourite colour. I love it. So yes, I really want to do a pink version. I haven't done as many butterflies. I've kept it a little bit kind of taken back and a little bit more simple to her version, and yeah, I did my own kind of pink look on the eye. So if you really like this look, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button, join the Annie fam. I've linked the amazing Katie below in the description box. Her Instagram is down there if you want to go and have a look at her. I'll quickly show you the photo actually. I'm not sure if my camera will work, but yeah, that is the photo there. As you can see, it is so cool. And but yeah, I honestly went into this completely open-minded. I wasn't sure where this was going to go, if I can do it, anyone can, honestly, but I'm so happy to say that I'm glad with how it came out. And yeah, I started off with, it was focusing on the eyes and focusing on the butterflies. I haven't done like a full face. I already have my foundation concealer on and everything, so you'll see that in a sec. But yeah, so without further ado, let's go straight into it. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the James Charles palette, and I think I am honestly just going to use the one shade. I want to keep this quite simple but like effective, if you know what I mean. So we're going to be going in with this shade right at the bottom here, this lovely hot pink. Guys, I have got to show you my new hand mirror. It is so cute. How adorable is that? It's a bunny! I got it from Graham & Green. It's like an online home store. They do lots of like lightings and things like that, and I absolutely love them. And when this rabbit mirror came on, I was literally like, oh my god, I've got to have it. It's literally the perfect hand mirror for me. Okay, so I'm just going to pat the pink into my crease. And we're just going to blend that out. So as you can see, I've done all of like the basics. I've done foundation, concealer, I've done my face, of course my eyebrows, put a few like freckles on my nose just to add to the whole spring vibe. And yeah, so it really is just, you know, the eyes. I'm focusing on those butterflies. I'm actually so excited but nervous how this is going to come out. I'm just going to keep layering until I'm happy with how deep and yeah, bright that pink is. Now I'm just going to take my finger so I get some of that on my finger, and I'm just going to pop that onto my eyelid. Then using your brush when necessary just to blend it out. Then blending that pink out so it's very close to the bottom of my eyebrow. I'm now going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and it looks like this. It comes in like all of her eyeshadow palettes. I love the smaller side. It's perfect. It's a perfect shape for my eye to go underneath. So taking that shade again, I'm just going to take it under my eye. Okay, so now that you have got your pink base on, I am now going to add an eyeliner. I don't want, again, I'm going to say I don't want a lot happening on the eye. I might add some glitter on the eyelids, or shall I leave it? I think I might even leave it, just so all the attention is on that hot pink. In fact, I'm going to do the other eye, and then, yes, we're at the same stage, so I will be right back. Okay, so now that we have done our pink eyeshadow, it is now time for black eyeliner. So yes, I honestly cannot even imagine a look without eyeliner. I love it. I feel like I'm not me without black eyeliner, you know? I just feel like it does so much to my eye shape and size. So yes, I'm going in with one of my faves, Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner. Do my eyeliner, I always start at the middle of my eye. I never start in the corner. It just doesn't suit my eye shape. I mean, you know yourself more than anyone, so go with whatever you prefer. But yeah, I think my eyes look a lot bigger if I start kind of where my pupil is and then it goes out. So yes. And also, I feel like my eyes look bigger if I don't go too high with the eyeliner. I always kind of take it out more long ways than going up. So yeah, that's what I've done here. I haven't gone too big, haven't gone too small the eyeliner, so I'm going to do the same on the other side. Then we're going to add lashes and really focus on those butterflies. Okay, so now time to add lashes. So I'm just going to curl my lashes, add a little coat of mascara, and then add some of my favourite lashes. I raved about them in my previous video just because they were so amazing. I have never found ones that are so easy, not too much, but they're really effective, from Home Bargains. Like, they were so cheap. They were like £1 or something, or £1, £2, something, up to £3. And yeah, they were just so easy to use. They are Eyeliner ones, and I think it was the Enchanted set. Those ones, they are so amazing. So I'm going to pop those on, and yeah, we're going to finish this eye look and put the lips on, and then we are going to focus on those butterflies. I'm actually so excited. I'm a bit nervous, but I'm excited. Okay, so now that the lashes are done, let's do my lips, and yeah, let's just, you know, crack on with these butterflies. You know, that's the reason that you're probably here. I was like, will I do a pink bright lip, or will I keep it quite nude? I'm actually going to have one of my favourite everyday lip on my lip today. I'm not going to have a big bright pink lip look today. I'm just going to go in with a nice kind of pinky nude that I wear every day. So what I'm going to go in with is, I'm going in with my favourite liner at the moment. It is the Kiko Everlasting Precision Lip Liner, and it is in shade, what shade is it in? 402. So I'm just going to line my lips with this. Now that I've done the lip liner, it is now time for some liquid lip, and I really am just going to dab a little bit on, use my finger to blend it in. I'm going in with the Morphe liquid lip, and it is in shade Brunch. It's a really nice orangey nude, so I'm just going to add a little bit there. Honestly, you really don't need a lot. It's so like thick, and it's such a big tube as well. You really do get a lot for your buck. And this is, yeah, like I said, a lip that I use every day. I love this look. And then to add a little bit of a pink, I used the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and it is in shade 03. It's in Tokyo, and it's a really cute pink like this. And I, again, just dab it on, just kind of in the middle. And then it adds a really nice pink to the nude, and yeah, it's just really cute. It just leaves you with a really nice matte pinky nude for every day, and I really like it. And I thought, you know what, I don't want to take, it also gives you kind of like an ombre kind of effect, like a 3D effect, because the sides are darker. And yeah, so I didn't want to take anything from the eye look and the butterflies, so yeah, let's just keep the lip a nice nudie pink colour. Hey, so that is my lips done. Okay guys, you know what that means? It's time for the butterflies. So let's just get straight into it. I really actually, I'm not going to lie, I haven't practiced. This really is just going to be a win. So hopefully, to help me get this look today, I got approached by someone called Tommy who worked with Lucky Fine Makeup, and I've never heard of them before, and I looked them up and they looked okay, and I actually was offered to try some of their lip liners and lip like their matte lips and things like that. And do you know what, I thought, you know what, I don't want to do anything like that. If I was to do something on my channel, I want to do something very creative. And I noticed that on their page, they actually had a water-based professional body art palette, and I was like, this looks really good, and the reviews were incredible. And I looked up on Instagram, people have used it and tagged them in their photos, and yeah, the reviews were just out of this world. So I replied to them and said, I'm really not interested in the lip products, but I'm really interested in trying out your body art palette. And they sent it to me, and this is the first time I'm going to use it, and I'm really excited. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So what I'm going to do is, I'm really trying to think, should I just use a black liner to outline the body of the butterflies? What I'm going to do is, I'm going to do an outline just so I know, you know, what I'm doing, because otherwise it will end up in a mess. So using a lighter nude pink, so you won't really see it that much when the paint colours go over it. Just to outline everything, I think it'll be so much easier, because when I do art, you know, I outline, portrait a face, and then I paint, you know, it's kind of the process. So yeah, I'm taking a nude liner, and I'm just going to, yeah, I'm just going to outline my butterflies. I'm just thinking if I should just keep it at the 2. She's got one on her neck as well, but I think I might just do the 2 and see how I get on. So yeah, I've just done a little outline of that, and yes, I think she starts off with the black bodies. So using the Kat Von D eyeliner, I'm actually going to do the bodies. I think it would be more precise if I use this than like a little paintbrush or something. It could be wrong. We're about to find out. Okay, so I'm doing the outline of the wings. Okay, so far so good. I'm now going to go in with this body art, see what it's like. I'm going to fill in the butterfly and then we're going to go in with some detail. So yeah, this is a water-based body art. And it comes with a brush, which is always fantastic. And I'm going to be going in with this shade here. I'm going to go in with this shade here. It's a little bit darker. So yeah, just to add a little bit of definition. I dropped it. I'm using a more detailed brush. It's actually a painting brush. Yeah, so let's go in. Okay, going back in with the tattoo liner, I'm just going to go in and put some details in the wing. Oh my gosh, that looks so cool. I'm actually so excited to add the shadow, because when she added the shadow in the video, it was just like, it looked so real. So yeah, okay, I'm really scared that this butterfly is going to go bad. Okay, so let's do this other butterfly. Okay, now that my butterflies are pink and vibrant, I'm now going to go in with some white. You actually get 2 whites, which is really cool. So I'm going to go in with some white just to add a little bit of highlight to make them look more 3D and more effective when we add the shadow. Okay, to add a little bit more detail, I'm going in with the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner. Is it? Yeah, liquid liner. And I'm going in with the shade Petal. I'm actually just going to add a few little spots like dots just to add a bit more detail. And yeah. So for the shadowing, I'm going to go in with this colour here. I'm like, will I go in this one or this one? But it is kind of like a dark brown that she uses. My camera died, so I just did the other half of the butterfly. So yes, let's go in with the shadow. Oh, I'm using a BH Cosmetics number 10 brush, by the way. If I should add like glitter or something. Oh, I don't know. You know when you just don't know? Okay guys, yeah, so I'm gonna do some posing and I'll be right back. you enjoyed this video. It came out so much better than I thought. You know what, that could have gone so wrong. But I am going to say it, if I can do it, anyone can. So totally play about and have fun and experiment with makeup, because I am, and I'm having so much fun with it, and I totally have just learned how to put butterflies on my face. So thank you so much to Katie for just like inspiring me, and her account is amazing. I've linked it below in the description box so you guys can go and have a look. So yes, but I think it's so cool to like inspire others with your ideas, and yeah, then you can just kind of put your own spin on it. And obviously I've made it pink because pink rocks. I would really appreciate it if you went and gave me a follow on my Instagram account. Like I said in previous videos, I'm always on there. It's probably the social platform that I'm on the most, so if you want to chat to me, go and chat there. And of course there's the comments below. Of course, I would absolutely love it if you hit the subscribe button and join the Annie fam, and hit that notification button as well so you are notified whenever I post anything. So yes, enough chitter chatter, and I'll see you guys on Friday. I hope you have the most amazing week, and happy Monday, and I will, you know, I'll catch you guys then. Bye!